G'day guys, welcome back to another video, and today we'll be doing network exploitation basics. I did Linux fundamentals in the other program, what I'm trying to think, pre-security. So I've already done that, but haven't done this one yet, so let's have a sus and have a crack at the introductory networking. Okay, I've done a little bit of this, so yep, should be okay for the, hopefully the basic bits, we'll see. OSI model, TCPIP model, cool. Look at my straight go. I have done this in the other one, so I should be okay, but never say never. Which layer would choose to send data over TCP or UDP? That would be the transport layer, I believe. Oh no. Transport layer number 4. Awesome. Which layer checks receive packets to make sure they haven't been corrupted? It's not too, surely not. Anyway, no, yeah, fair enough. In which layer would data be formatted in preparation for transmission? Is that before transmission then? Session? I don't know. 4, 3. What was the answer? I don't even know what I've put down there. Literally just clicked. And no, that doesn't work. Cool. Whatever the answer is there. Which layer transmits and receives data to? Come on. 4. Is it 1 and 4 again? I don't feel like it's going to be 4. 1. Yep. Which layer encrypts, compresses, or otherwise transform the initial data to give it a standardized format? I don't know. Session 4. Maybe presentation, so maybe 7. Application RC number 6 will be the one. Which layer tracks communications between the host and receiving computers? 3, surely. No, maybe it's 2. Transport, I'm not sure if I did that one. Session sounds about right. Which layer accepts communication requests from applications? Application layer, I would have thought. Oh yeah, which is 7. Cool. Which layer handles logical addressing? That is layer 3. I thought I was wrong for a second. When sending data over TCP, what would you call the bite-sized pieces of data? I'd call them packets, to be honest. Packet. Bytes. Headers. Header. Segments. There we go. Which layer would the FTP protocol communicate with? 5 or 6 or 7? Yeah, cool, whatever. Which transport layer protocol would be best suited to transmit a live video? UDP, I believe. Cool. Encapsulation, probably not my cup of tea. How would you refer to data at layer 2 of the encapsulation process? Okay, frames. Of course. Of course, that makes sense. It's the other way around. Got me. And layer 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. How would you refer to data at layer 4 of the encapsulation process if UDP has been selected? Be segments or probably datagrams, I'd say. Yeah. Datagrams, because it's using UDP. Does encapsulation provide an extra? Yeah, I'll go A. What process would a computer perform on a received message? D, encapsulation. Makes sense. Okay. Alright, I've got one to go. What is the only layer of the OSI model to add a trailer during encapsulation? Don't like the OSI model at all. If you can't tell. The data link layer also adds a piece on the end of transmission. Okay, let's go data link. Alright, cool, got that. TCPIP model. Sinactra. Sinactra. Frank Sinatra. Good one. Which model was introduced first, OSI or TCP? Oh, surely OSI. Serious? Oh yeah, I suppose TCP/IP has been around since the 80s or whatever. 1982. When was the OSI? A lot of OSIs. Okay, it doesn't really tell me. TCP 1982. Yeah, maybe it's a researching question that has half the answer there. Which layer of the TCP/IP model covers the functionality of the transport layer of the OSI model? Full name. Transport layer. Transport by the looks of it. Session layer. So we go back up here. Session application. Done. The network interface layer covers the functionality of two layers in the OSI model. These are data link and network. Physical. Cool. Which layer of the TCP/IP model handles the functionality of the OSI network layer? If we go network, that'll be internet. Well, syn short for synchronize. That's good to know. Synchronize. Oh yeah, cool. What is the second step of the freeway handshake? Synac. Say Synac. Great. What is the short name for the acknowledgement segment in the freeway handshake? ACK. What kind of protocol is TCP? Let's try connection based. There we go. That old trick. Okay. What command would you use to ping the bbc.co.uk website? I'll do that. What switch would allow you to restrict requests to IPv4? What switch will give you more verbose output? I'll go that. Oh, right. Ping that address. My bad. 217.160.0.152. Got there. Which switch lets you change the interval of sent ping requests? Do some Googling to research this one. Linux. Here we go. Change time interval between I. So now we want to, which switch would allow you to restrict requests to IPv4? Oops. There we go. That's what I did before. Traceroute. Okay. Use Traceroute on TryHackMe.com. Can you see? Let's try it out. Traceroute, TryHackMe.com. Which switch would you use to specify an interface when using Traceroute? Oh, barely used it. Sunny Jim. Which switch would you use if you wanted to use TCP or SYN? I don't know. That or T. Yeah, cool. Can you see the path your request has taken? Yes. Which switch would you use to specify an interface? I'll go I would have thought. Which layer of the TCP/IP model will run on default? Network or transmission or something? Lateral thinking. Which layer of the TCPIP model will Traceroute? Alright, struggling here a bit. Internet. Oh god. Cool. Perform a WHOIS search on Facebook.com. Sure. Happy to do that. Okay, done. What is the registrant postal code? Is it postcode? It is 94025. When was it first registered? Let's find registered. 1997. Wow. Interesting indeed. Which way? I think it's going to want it the other way, but I'll try this way. Okay, cool. Perform a search on Microsoft.com. Yes, I'm literally on the website who.is to do WHOIS. Cool. Alright, we got some Microsoft information. If it asks me for another one, buddy, might be happy. What city? City registered. Be the US somewhere. City information. Yeah, Redmond. Okay. OSINT. What is the name of the golf course that is near the registrant of the address Microsoft.com? Redmond golf course. Yeah, didn't think it was going to be that easy. Is it Bellevue Golf Course? There it is. Back to Microsoft. What is the registered tech email? So I'll just get email. It is msnhst@microsoft.com. Dig. What does DNS stand for? Domain name system. What is the first type of DNS server your computer would query when you search for a domain? Off the top of my head. If a DNS query has a time to live of 24 hours, what number would the dig query show? 1440. There we go. Would it be 86,400 then? I don't know if it goes by seconds. Yep. Alright, let's read some DNS stuff. Top level domain, I think. No, there's nothing with 3 there. What is the first type of DNS server your computer would query when you search for a domain? It's a good question. Router. Computer. Let's see what the old Google reckons. Not a very clear question, to be honest. And it'll send a request to what is known as a recursive DNS server. That'll be the one. What type of DNS server contains record specific to a domain extension? Use the long version of the name. Top level domain. Cool. Top level domain. Where's the very first place your computer would look to find an IP address? Local cache. Google runs 2 public DNS servers. One of them is queried 888. What? So I think it's 11111. 8844. Never knew that till today. Further reading. Network is one of those things. Yeah. Oh gosh, that was fun. Networking is not my favourite thing in the world. If you couldn't tell. Anywho, let's have a look at Nmap. There's probably 100 tasks here. Oh my god. I have to do this over multiple videos. Deploy attached VM. Alright, start machine. Do I need to do the attack box? Maybe I'll just start it just in case. When it comes to hacking, you can hack. The more knowledge you have about a target system or network, the more options come available. What networking constructs are used to direct traffic to the right application on the server? You have to do some reading. Alright guys, so I've had a bit of reading. Ports will be how we direct the traffic to the right place. How many of these are available on any 65,535, I believe. Yep. How many of these are considered well known? 1,024. Beautiful. And maps. Far out. How many questions? Like each task there's like 50 questions. No one's taking me like ages. Nmap. It'll give me how many switches there are, which is a lot. Oh, was the first switch. Dash IL, I think. Dash I, capital L. Maybe it's. What is the first switch listed in the help menu for SYN scan, right? SU for UDP scan. See, SYN scan, SS. Sweet. If you wanted to detect which operating system, what would you use? I'd use the OS detection, so -O probably. Nmap provides a switch to detect the version of the services running on the target. What is a switch? I'll look for services. -SV, service version. The default output provided by Nmap often does not match enough information for a pen test, so how would you increase the verbosity? Go. D for verbose. Verbosity level 1 is good, but verbosity level 2 is better. How would you set the verbosity level to level 2? It's highly advisable to always use at least at this option. Don't know. -VV. Cool. What switch would you use to save in that results in the free? -OA. What switch would you use to save the Nmap results in a normal format? Alright, ON. A very useful output format. How would you save the results in a greppable format? Script kitty. Huh. I'd be doing OG, I would have thought. Sometimes results we're getting aren't enough and you don't care how loud we are, we can enable aggressive mode. This is a shorthand switch that activates service detection, operating system detection, and traceroute, and common script scanning. How would you activate the setting? -A by the looks of it. How would you set the timing template level to 5? How would you set the timing template level to 5? I'll look for timing. And go like -T5. And would you tell Nmap to only scan port 80? I'll look for ports. -P80. How would you tell Nmap to scan ports 1000 to 1500? I'll just go to this. How would you tell Nmap to scan all ports? Good question. Would you tell Nmap to scan all ports? You have to do a bit of Google. There we go. How would you activate a script from this Nmap scripting library? Script scan. Probably script args. Let's just try script. Cool. How would you activate all the scripts in the volume category? Script help equals. Great. When scanning, type with Nmap's TC connect scans, half open scans, UDP scans. Additionally, there are less common null scans, fin scans, Xmas scans. In terms of scanning, we'll briefly look at read the scans. Yep, great. Done. Alright, I'm all over there, guys. Task 4 in, I expected every other pre-security one I did not take as long as this, so normally I'd be done within an hour, but it's been already over an hour, and I think I've only got like 1 or 2 tasks in, so yes. Now I suppose I'd say longer there. Fair enough. Yeah, literally done one and a half, so I think for these ones I'll probably just have to do one at a time. Probably to break the videos up a bit as well. Might even do the longer ones can be one video themselves. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. We're back for more Nmap. Just never ends, so good fun. All right, thanks for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe away, all that good stuff. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.